Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome to our channel Life Palette. Today we are going to learn Surya Sloka, so let's get started. Japakusuma Sankasham Sloka Tamurim Sarvapagnam Pranatosmi Divakaram Japakusuma Sankasham Tamurim Sarvapagnam Pranatosmi Divakaram Japakusuma Sankasham Tamurim Sarvapagnam Pranatosmi Divakaram.
This sloka is a prayer to Lord Surya, the sun god. Surya is considered the source of light, energy and life. This sloka is often recited in the morning, especially during Sandhya Vandanam or as part of daily Surya worship. It praises Surya for his brightness, his ability to remove darkness and to cleanse sins. Japakusuma Sankasham. He is as red and bright as hibiscus flower. The sun looks just like that, glowing beautifully in the sky. Kashyapayam Mahadyutim. He is the son of sage Kashyapa and shines with great brilliance. The sun is like a shining light bulb in the sky. He is said to be the son of wise sage named Kashyapa, and he spreads light everywhere. Tamorim Sarva Papagnam. He destroys darkness and removes all sins. The sun chases away darkness when he rises. In the same way, he removes sadness, laziness, and bad thoughts from our minds. Pranatosmi Divakaram. I bow down to Divakara, the maker of the day. We show respect and bow to the sun because he gives us light, warmth, and energy to start our day happily. ఇప్పుడు మనం తెలుగులో కూడా దీనికి మీనింగ్ తెలుసుకుందాం. సూర్యుడు మందారపు పువ్వులా ఎర్రగా ఉంటాడు. ఆయనే మహర్షి కశ్యపుని కుమారుడు. ఆయన వెలుగు చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. సూర్యుడు చీకటిని తొలగిస్తాడు, అలానే మన పాపాలని కూడా. సూర్యుడిని నమస్కరిస్తున్నాం ఎందుకంటే ఆయన వల్లనే మనకి రోజు ప్రారంభం అవుతుంది కాబట్టి. ఓకే,
Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe to Life Palette.